Before I go ride, I have a checklist of things that I go through to make sure my bike is ready to go, especially if it's the first ride of the year. Prepping for the season includes more than just the bike, but the gear too. Air filters are a relatively inexpensive part and probably one of the most commonly overlooked things on the bike. Each time I ride, I take it out, hit it with some filter cleaner, oil it up, and it's ready to go. One thing you always want to make sure to do is look over the filter each time you take it out and make sure there's no rips or tears. Over time, the seams of the filter will start to come apart and leave a place for dirt to get sucked in. One thing that will help your filter last longer is not to wring it out whenever you wash it. Just give it a squeeze and let it hang dry fully before you oil it. We have a full selection of filters, oils, cleaners, everything you'll need from No Toil, Twin Air, Bel-Ray, and more. Go check out the website, find what you're looking for.